Good day to you, Sir Madam. I'm Mary Ann Magat Lanza, 23 years old, married. I have one child. I am an undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Education.
Good day to you, Miss Mary Ann. How are you?
I'm very much fine, Sir Madam.
Okay, so what do you think of the right attitude and characteristic of a good domestic helper?
The right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper must be honest, loyal, patient, hardworking, and responsible.
Okay, so since you're a first-timer, so how will you avoid homesickness?
Sir Madam, I will avoid homesickness by concentrating on my work and make myself busy.
Okay, so can you tell us how to take care of the children?
The proper way of taking children are feed them with nutritious food, give them vitamins, play with them, tutoring them, and love them as my own child.
Okay, so what if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir Madam, if I committed mistake, I will say sorry sincerely and promise not to do it again.
Okay, so do you have message to your employer?
My final message to my employer, Sir Madam, please do hire me because I really need this job and I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities very well, and I promise also to finish my contract.
Okay, thank you, Miss Mary Ann. Hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Sir Madam, thank you very much.